morning, everyone. This is me, your boy Six in Charge. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I fold my sheets for my king size bed. So it's going to be a demonstration on how I fold my pillowcases, how I fold my fitted sheet, as well as the flat sheet. So if you're interested in learning how to fold sheets, just stand by and I'm going to do my quick demonstration. All right? Or should I say my quick tutorial? So give me a second. Oh, by the way, if you have not done so, please subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? I'm here waiting for you. All right. All right, everybody. It's me. I'm back. So I'm going to demonstrate on how I fold my sheets. Let's start with the pillowcase first. So let's give it a quick shake. So what I do is I take the pillowcase. You know, I'm all about the hand pressing, y'all. If you haven't noticed that yet, that's what I always do. I make sure that everything is pressed and it's flat. That's what's key. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come halfway, hand press, okay? Fold over, hand press. If you saw my video yesterday, I'm doing it the exact same way as I fold my towels, my bath towel, and my hand towels. So you're gonna go up like so. That's 1, 2, 3. So 1/4 way up, okay? So let's do that again. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the pillowcase. Now I don't iron my sheets. And you're gonna hand press to make sure it's nice and flat. And you're gonna fold over halfway, hand press. Take the other side and fold on top of the folded side you just placed over. Hand press, turn and go 1/4 up. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then fold over. And you got a nicely folded pillowcase. See that? Let's do the exact same thing with this pillowcase. I have 2 types of pillowcases in my bed. So the white is the one I sleep on. And then the sand color that I just demonstrated to you, those are my decorative pillowcases. Because it's on my bed, it gets dusty and everything. So I still go ahead and wash it when I wash my sheets. So again, hand press and flip it over. Hand press. Okay? Hand press, fold halfway up. Hand press, fold over. And this right here is not, I'm gonna get some more pillowcases. So go 1/3 up this time. 1, 2, and then fold in. And, hold up. And you have a nicely folded pillowcase, okay? Like so. Is that not neat or what? Okay? So let's rest that one here. So the next sheet we're gonna fold is the fitted sheet. I know a lot of people have a hard time folding these sheets, but I don't think it's hard. So again, you want the tag to be on the inside. So let me turn it this way. And what you want to do is you want to open it up. This is a king size bed, everybody, in my room. So what you want to do is you want to line up the here we go. And it's better to have a large flat surface to fold a king size sheet because it'll make your life a lot easier. So what you're going to do is you are going to look for the rib of the sheet, which is right here. And you're going to match it up to the bottom rib of the sheet, which is right here. Okay? Can you see that? I'm going to take both of these, line them up together, and do the exact same thing to the other side. Okay? Then you might fold your sheets a different way. If you do, that's great. Hold on. Here it is, right here. And make sure you got those edges lined up correctly. I'm going to shake the sheet a little bit so that you can wiggle everything into place. Okay, then once you do that, you are going to, hope y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm going to spread the sheet out like so. And again, this is a king size fitted sheet. You do the exact same step for a full, a twin. Doesn't matter what size sheet you're working with, it'll be the exact same concept. So again, let me scoot it over so you can see. So what I did was, I had this sheet all ironed out, smoothed out with my hands, like so. Okay? This is the hardest sheet to fold, everybody. If you can master this, you can fold any sheet. You're gonna come over. I can't tell you how far to come over, but you're gonna do it about this width right here. So this is about what? 6 inches? And then you're gonna fold over again. Okay? Bring it back to you. And you're gonna make sure you tuck it so it fits within the pocket of the sheet of the fold you just made. Hand press. You're gonna fold over again. Bring it back to you. Hand press. Then when you get to the edge over here, you want to do the same thing, like flatten this out, because you want it to look very neat. Okay? You know about the hand presses. Fold over again. Okay? And want to get this side all fixed up so it's nice and neat. Do not be scared to fold the sheets, you all. It's not that hard. It's gonna be hard at first because you're not used to doing it. I'm gonna fold over again. Okay. Again, hand press, because you want the sheets to be flat, okay? And then I'm gonna take this side and fold it in. Okay, just like so. And then you're gonna take this side and you're gonna fold it over. And then you're gonna fix the edges so it goes to the other side of the edge of the sheet. So be nice and neat. Again, hand press. Okay? Now, you're gonna fold over like so. Keep folding over. And then you're gonna fold this side in. Once you do that, this is a fitted sheet, folded nice and neat. Okay? So far, this is what it looks like. I have one more sheet to fold. Okay? Isn't that neat? So let's get the flat sheet. Flat sheet, this is easy. You're gonna take the top and bottom and bring it together. So let's see. And you want the outside of the sheet to be on the outside of the one. And you want the inside of the sheets to be like on the inside. Let me explain to you what I'm talking about. So what I do is I take, this is the inside of the sheet. Here's the tag. So the tag and the top, this is the inside of the sheet. Bring those two together so that what you see on the outside is the outside of the sheet, okay? On both sides. So I'm gonna take the top on this side and bring it to the bottom of this side, okay? And this is a king size sheet, everybody. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna fold it in half to get this right here. Then you're going to turn it sideways because you want everything to be flat. Okay? Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to rest the sheet on the bed. And I'm going to, like, again, hand press. So all I did was I brought the top and the bottom sheet together and I folded it in half. Okay? Remember, always hand press, everybody. Hand pressing, and if you iron your sheets, that's even better. I don't do that, but if you choose to, go for it. The key here is you want to make sure that there are no bulges in the sheets. Okay? And you're going to fold it over like this. And again, you'll know how big to fold your sheets. It depends on the size of your linen closets. If your linen closet, excuse me. Because I have 2 linen closets, I have a separate sheets for the guest beds versus my beds, as well as towels. Keep folding over like so. And you want to scoot. When you fold the sheet over, you want to make sure that the first time you fold, that you make sure that the fold is within the fold of this sheet right here. So for example, this piece right here, I want to fold this over. And I want to make sure that when I fold it, I'm scooting the sheet back against that fold to keep it nice and tight. Okay? Hand press. I'm going to fold it over again. Okay? And now what's not in the service, just in case somebody's asking. I never went to the service. Never had a desire to go. But for all of my brothers and sisters who have been in the service or are actively in the service, I want to say right now, I appreciate you. Thank you for serving your country, for keeping my ass free. God bless you. I love it. Okay. Then I'm going to fold this over again, like so. When I fold, I turn it back over to make sure that the sheet is the same width. Okay. Then, again, you start folding. You fold according to the size of the other sheets that we folded earlier. And then you keep folding over. When you get to the end, you just tuck it. So here's the fitted sheet. Okay? That's how I fold my sheets. And let me give you the whole gamut of what I just did. See, these are perfectly folded sheets, everybody. Okay? Is that like neat or what? So, that's how I fold my sheets. Okay? So, that is going to conclude today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next video where I'm going to show you guys how I organize my linen closets. So until then, God bless you. Have a good day and be safe. Bye.